Welcome to Tanfon installation team. Today we are in Abuja, Sandton Hotel for the installation of 50 kilowatt inverter system. Our engineers are actively at work. Solar panel installed at 15 degrees tilt angle due south because we are in the northern hemisphere. The panels will generate about 156 kilowatt hour per day with an instantaneous generation of 31.2 kilowatts hour. Tanfon is here to give you the best out of renewable energy for your industrial installation, commercial solution, and domestic solution. When it comes to design and installation, superb. And when it comes to technical know-how, aristocrats. Thank you for trusting us.